Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to learn about using pseudopotentials when you're using Huzinaga basis sets. So in the last one we studied about using pseudopotentials with Pople type basis sets. So I'll just copy this uh, optimized molecule and paste it in a new window. And we'll set up a calculation with Huzinaga basis set and using the pseudopotential. So in the calculation setup, I'll just go for optimization, and in the method you can select anything like a DFT, MP2, or like you are doing the calculation on an MP2 level for publication and you want to use very good basis sets. In that case, like we are going to use the augmented CCPVTZ basis set. So you can use this basis set on the lighter elements, but on iodine, it isn't simply available like this in Gauss view or Gaussian. So you need to specify a pseudopotential for that, so that the relativistic effects and all the other things are actually counted for. So let's select the generic basis set, and then we can say pseudo is equal to read, and you can specify any other keywords if you want. So I'll just save the file, ch3i. So now here we need to specify with at the end of this file that on carbon and hydrogen 0. So we're going to use the augmented CCPVTZ basis set, and then we, of course, 4 stars. And now here we have to add the pseudopotential for this basis set. But where will we get it? So there is a website for it called this basis set exchange. So if you open the www.basissetexchange.org, you can actually get the basis sets of your requirement from here. And what we will do is, you can see that there are different types of basis set, and if I click on iodine, I will see all the basis sets that are available for iodine. And then here I will select Gaussian, and then I will go for augmented CCPVTZ. Yes, that is the augmented CCPVTZ pseudopotential, and iodine is selected, and here Gaussian is selected. So if I click on get basis set, it gives me, so this is the basis set with the pseudopotentials for iodine. So what I'll do is I'll copy this from here, iodine 0 till the end, and I'll go to that file, and here I will paste it, and just a few empty lines at the end. So now you can see that your pseudopotential is pasted just down here. And if I save it and close it, it asks me to run it. So if I run, you can see that the calculation is running with MP2 and augmented CCPVTZ basis set on these 3 elements, carbon, hydrogen, and then the augmented CCPVTZ pseudopotential on iodine atom. So that is how you can use the pseudopotential with Huzinaga basis sets. And same is the case, like if you don't have a basis set available in Gaussian or any other software, you can simply go to this basis set exchange website, and you can get the basis set and include it manually in your calculation, and that is how you can use any kind of basis set you want. So that is all. I'll not wait for calculation to finish because it's running on one processor, and it might take a long time. So the main thing is that it didn't give an error and it started running, so that's all right. So if you have any questions, related to this, you can ask in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.